In this video, we will be showing you a simple fix if you have received a "We need more info" error from Chime. First is to check your email from Chime. Chime usually sends an email explaining the specific info needed or the reason for the hold of your account. You can check your inbox or the spam folders for communications from Chime support. Now, if you have received an email requesting additional documentation like a photo ID or proof of address, follow the instructions in the email to submit the required information securely. Ensure that any images uploaded are clear and valid. Next is to verify the account details in the application. Log into the Chime app and ensure that all your personal details, including your phone number, email addresses, and home address, are up to date and accurate. Typos or conflicting information can trigger this error. Lastly is to do basic app troubleshooting. Restart your device, update the Chime app to the latest version from your app store, clear the app cache, and uninstall and reinstall the application. That's how you can fix if you have received a "We need more info" error from Chime, and thank you for listening.